Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Face ID requires an iPhone with a true depth camera, like iPhone X or later. The system stores your facial data in the secure enclave for security. Face ID usually requires attention to unlock, which prevents accidental authentication. You control app permissions centrally in settings under Face ID and passcode. That section lists iPhone unlock, iTunes, password autofill, and other apps toggles. Third-party apps may also ask for permission inside their own settings when first using Face ID. Open Settings, then tap Face ID and passcode to begin setup on your iPhone. The setup prompts you to position your face in the frame and then slowly rotate your head. You repeat the rotation twice to complete 2 face scans for accurate recognition. After enrollment, enable toggles such as iPhone Unlock and other apps to permit app authentication. If you wear glasses or a mask sometimes, add an alternate appearance for improved reliability in varied conditions. When an app needs biometric authentication, it will prompt you to enable Face ID on first use. If you denied permission, open Settings, Face ID and passcode, and enable the app in the Other Apps list. Use passcode to access the app if Face ID temporarily fails or after a restart. To fix repeated failures, reset Face ID in Settings and redo enrollment, or update iOS and clean the True Depth camera area. If problems persist, contact Apple support for hardware.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.